नमस्कार साथियों, हमारे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। क्लास 12th इम्पोर्टेंस आर्टिकल आज हम पढ़ेंगे। तो पहला आर्टिकल है हमारा इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स, अ हेल्थी माइंड लिव इन द हेल्थी बॉडी। इंट्रोडक्शन। गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स आर एन एस्टिमेटेड पार्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड, where everyone is busy with gadgets and machines. In the importance of physical activity has increased. Even more, it is not just source of entertainment, but a basic necessary for the overall development of a student. Physical, physical and mental benefit. Regular practice session in a sport source a healthy body. It is improve blood circulation, strengthness in the musical system, and boost immunity of light against virus, diseases like obesity, diabetes, and the heart problems. Beyond physical health, sports are great stress builder. They refresh the mind, increase concentration, and the developmental alternate, which is highly beneficial for students to platform character and social skill. Sports are the best teacher of life skill. A playground is a play where we learn the value of discipline, hard work, and the time management. It teaches us to teamwork and how to coordinate with others to achieve a common goal. More importantly, it teaches sport sportsmanship, the ability to accept both velocity and the defeat with grace and guidance. कंक्लूजन। फिर हमारा कंक्लूजन आता है, कंक्लूजन लिखना होता है। In the conclusion, games and sports are the important as book. A student who only study and never plays become dolls. Therefore, school and parents should encourage children to the part in outdoor games for the bright and healthy future. Second article है pollution control and environmental protection. Be part of solution, not part of pollution. Introduction. Pollution is one of the most serious problems affecting the world. Today, it refers to the contamination of our natural sources like air, water, and soil. Harmful substances as human civilization progressing, we are damaging our environmental at alarming rate. And if do not act now, life on Earth will be great danger. Type and causes of pollution. There are mainly four types of pollution: air, water, soils, and noises. The smoke from factories and vehicles, the dumping of instrumental water into river, and the excessive use of chemical fertilization are the primary cases. Moreover, in the increasing use of plastic and the cutting down of forest, deformations for building cities and have made the situation worse. The lead of global warming, melting of glacier, and many respiratory diseases. Measure of control pollution. To save our planet, we must take anti-damage steps. First, we need to plant more and more trees, increase oxygen level. Second, we must follow the three rules: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We should stop using single-use plastic, switch to eco-friendly products. The government should also implement strict laws for industrial waste management and encourage the use of solar and wind energy. Conclusion. Protecting the environmental, it's not just a government job. It is the responsibility of every citizen. We must remember that we have not inherited this earth from our ancestors, but borrowed it from our future generation. Let's join hands, make the earth green and clean. हमारा फिर थर्ड आर्टिकल है वो है वैल्यू एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ट्री, जो इसका लाइन यहाँ है, डोंट मेक ट्री अ हिस्ट्री, मेक देम द फ्यूचर। इंट्रोडक्शन, trees are the most precious gifts of nature of mankind. They are often called tree, green gold of the earth, because of their immense value. Of without trees, the existence of life on the planet would be impossible. Of us, they provide the most virtual element for our survival, oxygen. They act the lungs of our planet, clean the air we breathe. Benefit of trees. The benefit of trees are endless. They provide us with food, fruits, meditation, time member, and rover. They play a circular role in maintaining the ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and relaxing oxygen. Tree also helps in preventing soil erosion and increasing soil fertility. They are responsible for bringing and keeping the temperature of environmental cool, thus fighting against global warming. Furthermore, they provide a natural habitat for thousands birds and animals. The trees are deforestation. Despite their importance, man is blindly cutting down forests for urbanization, industry, and furniture. This mining deforestation in curious is rise in earth temperature and leading to nature diseases like floods and droughts. Many species wildlife are losing their homes because extinctions. Conclusion: it is high time we realize that our survival depends on tree. We must stop the illegal cutting of tree and promote afforestation. Planting more tree. Every student should like a pledge to plant least one tree on three birthday, as the saying goes. He who plants a tree plants a hope. फिर हमारा जो फोर्थ आर्टिकल है, योगा एंड गुड हेल्थ. Yoga is the journey of life through the self to the self. Introduction. Yoga is the 5,000-year-old tradition of India that has now become a global phenomenon. In today's fast-paced and stressful world, people are constantly suffering from physical and mental health issues. Yoga is not just from the exercise arise a physical posture, but it is a holistic approach to the healthy and balanced lifestyle. Benefit for body and mind. The practice of yoga offers countless benefits physically. It improves flexibility, strengthens muscles, and enhances the respiratory and digestive system. It boosts our immunity, helping the body fight various diseases for the students. Yoga is my cycle tools. It's improve memory power, sharpness, concentration, and help in keeping the mind calm during exam pressure. Simple breathing, teaching like pranayam can significantly reduce mental traditional. Spiritual and social value. Beyond the body, yoga connects our souls with nature. It teaches us patience, self-discipline, the inner space in the health, in developing in a positive attitude towards life, recognizing its global importance. The United Nations declared June 1st, 21st International Yoga Day. Conclusion. In the conclusion, yoga is the natural and Post free why to stay fit. It is a gift and ensure a long disease-free life. Every student should spend at least 20 to 30 minutes daily on yoga to achieve a perfect balance between steady health.